What up, man? Listen, this next artist's song is titled Balansa. Now, I don't know how to pronounce his name. He spells it as Xyre. So based off of Jaden Smith's album, I'll just call him Xyre. This is produced by Sound Daddy. They don't feel on R&B. Okay.
Me believe one day is a balancer. Hello la. Me believe one day is a balancer. Ni manvela ukagamba bati blah blah blah. Mumuju manga vimandeka chabe wa. Hello la.
Okay.
Me believe one day is a balancer.
Repeat it.
Hello.
Give me something catchy to vibe with.
You and me, let's take it down memory lane. Before the money and the fame got to your brain, can't even have a conversation cause you always complain. How did it go from candles and roses to mayor pain? Niziva ama to my phone when it's late at night. Niziva uzamu konka aka kuchita invite. I love you despite, I want you inside. Why don't you decide? It's me or his side. Loving you every day, I'm earning my stride. You know I tried and I never lied. Okay, maybe a couple times, but that was cause of you. Maybe we both need to forget about each other, but I always come back to the same question: who gon' ride for me?
Okay. My last two go. I'm a rhyme dash, probably but you've got flow, you decent. There's clarity in how you pronounce these words. The production is nice, and you can sing okay. Hello la. Artwork is okay, by the way. Swagged out, Nakadi shot. No wave.
So she say, you and me, let's take it down memory lane. Before the girls and the cheating got to your brain.
That's
my
her
friends laughed
perspective,
at me. You had me looking insane. I gave you my time and love, but it was all in vain.
Okay.
But I forgive you again. You're driving me crazy, so I'm changing my lane. But yet again, I'm like, what's the gain? I still love you. Trying to let the past be the past, but it's still at hand. Understand what's under doesn't need to stand. But I'm stuck in a loop, I still wanna tell you. So I come back to the same question: who gon' ride for me? Cause I know you the only one who could die for me. My irritation.
This is a Drake, man. Singing, rapping, giving. I'm a story, two perspectives. I'm feeling that there's potential here, man. Hello la. Sound Daddy, the dope beat. Blah blah. Oh, Sound Daddy just hit me with that. Okay. I was not expecting that twist at the end with the beat, Sound Daddy. You just made this all the more exciting for me. To you, Xyre, or is it Xyre? I don't know, man, but I feel there's potential here. You rap, you sing. There's not too much done to this track. Like, you didn't overdo it. Two perspectives, two verses. Your perspective, your girl's perspective. Man, the hook is dope. The verses are dope, man. You a smooth rapper, like R&B type rapper. I'll compare you to maybe a Ryan Leslie. You know, not really deep with the bars and everything, but you rhyme good and you tell a story. This is nice. Balansa, it's enjoyable. Let me know what you think. This is Xyre. Balansa produced by the homie Sound Daddy. Peniko ama comments panshapo. Tulandepo. Potential point. Actually, adeisa. Mzambia mudia ma artist zona. Okay. I need to listen to this again, but it's why I go. Thank you for watching.